and welcome. If you have ever received a gift card on Crunchyroll, here's how you can redeem your gift card and use it to watch your favorite movie or anime in Crunchyroll. Well, here's how you can redeem your gift card in Crunchyroll. The first step is launching your favorite browser, and in one of the new tab, just enter crunchyroll.com and press enter like so. So make sure you've logged into your Crunchyroll account. The next step is going to this avatar icon at the top right corner and click on it. In the drop down menu, we have a gift card section. Let's select it, and here's the space where we want to enter the gift card code. Once you've entered a correct gift card code and click on continue, your gift card will be redeemed and it will be added to your account's balance, which you can use to purchase or subscribe to premium features of Crunchyroll. And if you need help to redeem your gift card, just click on this need help link and you will be directed with the instruction to follow in order to successfully redeem your gift card. Now you know how to redeem a gift card in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding redeeming your gift card, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, goodbye.